Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I created this look today using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. I really love how this came out because this is what I had in mind. I feel like I would definitely wear this if I would go to a party, and I feel like this palette is super festival proof, you know? So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. So guys, in this video, I am going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. Riviera? I think so. I love this palette. When I first saw this on Instagram, I was like, yes, ABH. I really love the colors, and I felt like, wow, you could do like so many different things with this palette and create so many looks. And that might also cause a little bit more like confusion. People were DMing me, please review this and use this in your YouTube video because I don't know how to combine these colors, and you seem to come up with the best combination of colors. So I wanted to use this and maybe do, you know, something different because I love doing that, and I already have an idea of what I'm going to do. So let's start. My base and my brows are already done. I had you can still see some redness going on. I filmed a look and I thought, you know, maybe this tutorial is going to be too long if I'm going to do the base, and you guys say I'm rambling too much, like now, blah, blah, blah. So we are going to do the eyes only. So let's start. Let me get this brush as well. Actually, I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes. Usually I don't like a brush that comes along in a palette, but Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes are usually... Oh, this one's quite hard actually. Oh, I like this side. Not sure if I like this side. But anyways, we are going to use Nabla Cosmetics brush. This is a large shader brush. And I think I'm going in with Coastline. This shade right here. It's a naturalish shade. Oh, wow. That is very, very pigmented. More than I thought. I thought this was just going to be a transition color, but the pigment is amazing. It's a beautiful pastel peachy color. I'm taking this soft crease brush from Nabla Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend this. Oh my god, this color on its own with the same color lipstick is going to look amazing, especially during summer. Like that. After that, I think I'm going in with Palm, which is a dark brown, beautiful color. Such a good brown. And I'm going to use this side of the brush that comes with the palette. So we make the crease darker. Ooh, this is so pigmented. I love it. Anastasia Beverly Hills, back in the game. If you have hooded eyes, this is a very good way to make them less hooded, because if you look straight, you just actually kind of like placing the crease right above your normal crease. Do you know what I mean? Like right there. I'm going back to this large shader brush and I'm going to blend this into the first shadow, which is Coastline. So just the edges. Okay. So this color does look a tiny bit patchy, but maybe that's because of my base, I don't know. But I'm just blending it into the other shadow. Kind of like that. So I just did the other eye as well, and I felt like this one was blending way better. So I think the, what was it, Palm? Yeah, the Palm eyeshadow was really good, but the concealer, for some reason, like the base on this eye was not that beautiful because this blended way better. Do you see that? But this turned out a slightly bit darker because it was patchy, so it absorbed into the skin. So we're kind of like going to hide that, but I already wanted to do something like this, so you know, it will turn out beautiful, I hope anyway. So I wanted to use something unexpected as usual. I want to use Seaside and Mediterranean because I feel like these shades are, they look so good. So this one and this one, let me swatch real quick because I haven't swatched these myself. Look at that. Oh, wow. And if we mix it, oh my goodness, this is so stunning. Look at that. I'm not sure if you can see it, but wowee. Okay, so I'm going to put that on my whole eyelid, mixing those two together. Yes. And I'm going to use this. This is actually a concealer brush from Nabla Cosmetics. So let's see. I want Seaside and Mediterranean. Wow. Oh my God. This looks so good. I'm also blending it a little bit like that. Okay, so it looks like this. I think I'm going back into the Palm shade again, which is a dark brown color, and I'm going to darken up the outer edges. So on top of this eyeshadow, I want to use these two colors from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think I'm just going to mix them together. This is Crystal Cave and Party Loose Glitter. So mixing these two will be, I don't know, like a little bit more coolish. I'm using the Spectrum A13 brush. I don't want to use too much, but just enough, like that. I like that. I think that looks so glam and beautiful. And look at those glitters. Love it. And then I thought for my under eyelid, I wanted to do something like a neon pink because, you know, that's going to make the look interesting instead of using like brown or I don't know, like a similar tone. I think I'm going in with Bahamas bright neon pink color. And the brush that I'm going to use is BH Cosmetics brush number 9. So let's see if this is going to look good. Oh my God, this is so pigmented. Super, super, super neonish. This looks so good. I'm also going to blend this a little bit with Coastline, which is that peachy neon color that we've used. So it's more natural looking, faded, like that. To line my waterline, I'm actually going to use a lip liner. This is Gilded from Urban Decay. And this is just a pink lip liner. So that's that. I'm just going to clean it up. I'm going to fix my base a little bit because, you know, I see some fallouts. And I'm going to apply some mascara, some lashes, and then I'll be right back because we are going to do the lips. I'm back and I applied lashes and mascara. This is House of Lashes Ethereal Light. And the mascara that I use is L'Oreal, you know, with the bending wand, a limited mascara. And on my inner corners, I applied the same highlighter that I've used on my cheekbones, which is this Cookie. Yeah, it's called Cookie Highlighter from the newest Cheerleader palette from Benefit, which is a beautiful palette, especially Hula Caramel. Beautiful. So we are going to do the lips, and I think, you know, with this look, we could do bright pink, but that would be too, I don't know. I'm not feeling that. I just want to do something with nude, but actually if I would apply a very nude lipstick, this look would be a little too dollish looking. So I thought this is the perfect nude, I think. This is Joyride from Huda Beauty, so I'm going to apply this. By the way, the lip liner that I'm using is Cork from MAC, my favorite lip liner. So now I'm going in with the lipstick. Oh wow, the shade is so beautiful. That is a gorgeous shade. So this is the makeup look. I actually really like it, especially this lip color. Super comfortable as well. The pigmentation of the Riviera palette is super nice. I actually want to create more looks with this palette. Let me know if you want to see a natural glam kind of look. This look, I would definitely wear this on a party. For some reason, I feel like it's still wearable because we have some color and glitter and a little bit of smoke going on our eyes. But I do feel like it's still wearable on a party or if you go to an event, but that's me. But yeah, I wanted to do something with color today. I hope you guys like it and appreciate it. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on my other social channels, leave a comment, follow me on Instagram. Did I already mention that? Anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.